There's a difference between how things look and how things are. You can be in a moving train, seated at the front of the coach, then you get up to go and use the restroom at the back. How things look, you're going backwards. How things are, you're actually moving forward because the train is taking you forward. So when a guy can pull the plug on something that is supposedly designed to take him forward and focus on something more fulfilling for him, and people around him will say he has stagnated or he has retrogressed. If most of us were Mark Zuckerberg's classmates, we will say his life has gone backwards because he dropped out. I say all of this to say, for every situation, circumstance, or phenomenon that we are greeted with, there are multiple levels of interpretation at play. For most of us, especially in Africa, we focus on the tangible. So we hardly ever see the bigger picture. We are too consumption conscious. We place so much emphasis on things as opposed to ideas. And while that is alright for a level of living experience, the reality is that we will always be at the mercy of those with ideas because ideas birth things. Culture shapers get curious about trees so that they can transplant. Consumers get curious about trees so that they can pluck fruits. Both parties are curious, but for very different reasons. The ability to innovate requires that you not only observe how things look, but also understand how things are, because the foundational principles never change. In the words of the rockers, Dr. Olapinle Shorinyo, there's a difference between what is going on and what is happening.